Are you ready to dive into the world of high-fat, low-carb diets? Curious about what all the buzz surrounding keto is about? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Pharmacist Online, where we demystify the world of health and nutrition. Today, we're going on a thrilling adventure to discover what is the keto. So buckle up because we're about to embark on an epic journey into the realm of ketosis. And hey, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button because, trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got in store for you. Let's set the scene. You're stranded on a deserted island with nothing but a massive supply of avocados, cheese, and coconut oil. Sounds like paradise, right? Well, it might be closer to the keto diet than you think. But fear not, my fellow health enthusiasts. We're here to help you navigate this low-carb wonderland. So, what is the keto diet? In a nutshell, it's a high-fat, low-carbohydrate, and moderate protein eating plan designed to get your body into a state called ketosis. Think of it like switching from gasoline to electric power for your body's energy needs. But instead of a Tesla, you're getting a Lamborghini. When you follow the keto diet, around 70 to 80% of your daily calories come from fats, 15 to 25% from proteins, and just 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. The goal? To kick your body into burning fat instead of carbs for fuel. And that, my friends, is when the magic of ketosis happens. Let's break down the macronutrient distribution and the process of ketosis in a bit more detail. When you follow a ketogenic diet, most of your daily calories come from healthy fats. These can include sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and butter or ghee. Consuming a high amount of fats is essential for this diet, as it's the primary energy source for your body once it enters ketosis. Next, 15 to 25% of your daily calories should come from protein sources. Some common protein-rich foods in a ketogenic diet are meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and cheese. It's important to maintain a moderate protein intake since consuming too much protein can interfere with ketosis, while too little protein can lead to muscle loss. Finally, only 5 to 10% of your daily calories should be from carbohydrates. To achieve this, you'll need to cut back on foods like bread, pasta, rice, and starchy vegetables, while focusing on consuming non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This low carbohydrate intake is crucial for inducing ketosis. Now let's talk about ketosis. When your body is deprived of carbohydrates, it needs to find an alternative energy source. This is when it starts to break down fats into molecules called ketone bodies, which can be used as fuel. This process is called ketogenesis. Once your body is producing a sufficient amount of ketone bodies, you're considered to be in a state of ketosis. The primary goal of the keto diet is to maintain ketosis, as it allows your body to burn stored fat for energy efficiently. This can lead to weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Furthermore, ketosis has been found to have potential therapeutic effects on specific medical conditions, such as epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and some neurological disorders. Keep in mind, though, that individual experiences and results may vary. Therefore, the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, and it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. You might be wondering, why has the keto diet become so popular? Well, it's been linked to weight loss, improved mental clarity, and even managing conditions like epilepsy. And there you have it, a thrilling ride into the world of keto. Now, you know what all the fuss is about. But wait, there's more. You know you want to learn about the latest health trends, and we've got your back. So hit that subscribe button and join the Pharmacist online community today. Before you go, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and remember to share it with your friends who might be curious about the keto lifestyle. Until next time, remember, your health is your wealth, and at Pharmacist Online, we're here to make you rich in the knowledge. So stay tuned for more exciting adventures in health and wellness.